Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds incredible, right? This is the power of affiliate marketing. Today, we'll explore affiliate marketing and its bright future. Affiliate marketing connects businesses with individuals, called affiliates. Affiliates promote products and earn a commission on sales. It's a win-win scenario for everyone involved. First, let's look at how affiliate marketing works. Businesses provide unique links to affiliates. When a customer clicks these links and buys, the affiliate earns money. Simple, right? Next, technology plays a big role. With social media and online platforms, affiliates reach larger audiences. They can target specific customers easily. This makes it more effective than ever before. Now, consider the evolution of content. Creative content drives traffic. Affiliates can create engaging blogs or videos. This attracts potential buyers, leading to more sales. As we move forward, trends will shape affiliate marketing. Influencer partnerships will grow. Affiliates with dedicated followers will drive significant sales. Brands must adapt to this shift for success. Let's sum it up. Affiliate marketing is evolving with technology. It's about connections, creativity, and strategic trends. You can tap into this opportunity today. Ready to explore affiliate marketing? Start your journey today by signing up for a program. Discover how you can earn while promoting products you love.